Chile rellenos are so delicious. And a stuffed, dressed, and overdressed chile relleno burrito really pumps up el sabor. This one is for Kristy because she loves them so much. My favorite chile rellenos are those made with poblano chiles. I think this is my favorite fresh chile because just look at the curves. To make the best of a chile relleno and to be able to prepare a chile relleno, you have to char or roast it. So once you do that, you're gonna put the chile or chiles in a plastic bag or a container covered with plastic because you wanna make the chile sweat, just like this. And then it becomes really easy to just peel off the skin. You make a slit down the side, you open up the chile, and you remove all the seeds. So here I have two, and they're ready to be stuffed. I have the refried pinto beans, just like this. So I have the shredded cheese here, and I'm just gonna stuff the chiles. So you wanna add a lot of cheese. I mean, you really want to stuff it to the brim. So if you're closing it and there's a lot of space, like, come on, like make that chile chubby. So stuffing it with cheese, and then you want to use 1 or 2 toothpicks to seal the chile, as if you were sewing, like that. You can use 2. I'm gonna coat my chiles with just a little bit of flour. So you wanna really coat the chiles like this. It will help the chile hold on to the batter as you fry it. All we need to do is beat 4 egg whites until they hold stiff peaks. Here we go. So you can see once the egg whites can hold a peak, you know it's ready for us to add the egg yolks. I think eggs are so beautiful. You don't want to see any streaks of yellow. To capear or coat the chiles and fry them, what you want to do is you want to make sure that your oil is preheated. You are going to dip the chile in the coating, okay? And directly into the oil, you're gonna do this gently. You wanna use tongs that have a rubbery tip so that they won't tear that beautiful coating. And you wanna flip the chile. Oh, beautiful! Okay, so this is ready. I'm gonna take my chile out. As my comal heats to warm up my tortilla, I'm gonna dress my garnish. And we're gonna top the burrito with some slaw that I'm gonna dress with a little bit of lime juice, olive oil. I'm gonna add a little salt, pepper. So a burrito screams for a giant flour tortilla. So big, it doesn't even fit in my comal. You know your flour tortilla is ready and heated when it gets air pockets all over. So let's dress this thing. I have my salsa mexicana. Yum! You can see the chunks of tomatoes and jalapenos. Okay, I have the chile relleno. I'm gonna add a little salsa here. We're gonna tuck like this. Yum! Oh, beautiful. You have the burrito, slaw, salsa, queso cotija, and then we want some crema. Look at the cheese, look at the beans. the tortilla. This is so delicious, so indulgent, but so comforting. It's incredible. I mean, look at the cheese. You gotta try this one.